Hello everyone. This is the second part of alkanes naming practice. So let's get started. You can write this compound like this. This is CH3. This carbon has one methyl group, right? And then this carbon is linked to this carbon, and this carbon has one branch chain, right? And this carbon is linked to this carbon. So we can write this compound like this way, right? So first I will number the carbon in the chain for getting longest chain. So if I number from left to right, then 4, that is, this is butane, right? And if I number from right to left, then I will also get 4. So this is butane. And now if I see the position of methyl group from left to right, that is this way, at first I will get the position of methyl group at carbon 2, then I will get the position of methyl group at carbon 3. If I add, then I will get 5, right? And if I see the position of methyl group from right to left, that is this way, then I will get the position methyl group at carbon 2, then I will get the position of methyl group at carbon 3, that is 5, right? So I can take both way to number the carbon in the chain, right? So this is 1 2 3 4, right? So at first I have to take the position of the branch chain. So 2 3, this is 2 3 hyphen. We know that this is methyl group and there are 2 methyl groups, so dimethyl, right? Dimethyl, right? Dimethyl butane. You see that this D is in capital letter, right? And there is no gap here, but there is a gap here. In case of branch chain, right, there will be a gap between the carbon chain and branch, right? But trimethyl ethyl, if you write this way, then there will be no gap. Well, now we'll name these alkanes, right? What is this? This is, we can write this compound like this way. So this is CH3, this carbon has one methyl group, and this carbon has one methyl group, and this is a chain, right? So we have to number from this way and this way, and we have to check. So 1 2 3 4 5, right? So from left to right, the position of methyl group at carbon 2 and at carbon 3, right? So we are getting 5. If we number the carbon from right to left, then we are getting the position of methyl group at carbon 3, and then we are getting at carbon 2, right? So from these two ways we are getting equal number, right? That is 5. So we can number the carbon from any side. So let me number from this side. So we'll take the position of Brunson at first. So 2 and 3. So 2, 3 hyphen 2 methyl group, right? So dimethyl and pentane, since this has 5 carbon, pentane, right? So now we'll name this compound. This carbon has 3 methyl group, right? 1, 2, 3, and this carbon has also 3 methyl, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to find out the longest chain, right? With with the highest number of branches, but the position of the branches will be the lowest. So if I number from left to right, then we're getting 4, right? And if we number from this side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So from left to right, if we take the position of methyl group at carbon 2 plus 2, right? And then 3 plus 3, since this carbon has 2 methyl group, right? So if you add, then you are getting 4, 7, 9, right? And from if you add the position of Brunson from right to left, then you are getting 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, then 3 plus 3, 9. So from both sides we are getting the equal value, so we can choose any side, right? So this is butane, but at first we have to take the position of methyl. So at carbon 2 we are getting 2 methyl group, right? And then at carbon 3 we are getting also 2 methyl group, right? So 2, 2, 3, 3 tetra, right? Tetra means 4, right? Tetra methyl, tetramethyl butane. Look here, there will be no gap here, but there will gap between Brunson and principal sign. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.